I'm going to show you how to make a Vietnamese green meat.
The Thịt Nướng dish is very appreciated for its intense flavors thanks to a special marinade that combines salty, sweet, and umami tastes. Find more details about the ingredients at the end of this video. Start by scouring the nerves on the edges of the pork shoulder pieces. This prevents them from shrinking during cooking. You can also use chicken thighs. Give a few taps with the back of the knife to tenderize it. This also helps the marinade penetrate the meat. Crush 2 lemongrass. Remove the first leaf and the small tough end. Finally slice them. Keep the firm end of the stalk, which is less fragrant, to use in the soup. Put them in a mortar. Add the half teaspoon of salt. Pound them to release their flavor. Then add 6 minced garlic cloves, 3 chopped shallots, a piece of sweet chili, or you can also use hot chili. Coarsely crush them. Then add 1 teaspoon of fine spice powder, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice syrup or honey for a smooth texture and a shiny appearance, a juice of half an orange. Mix everything together. In a small saucepan, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and heat it over medium heat. After about 1 minute and 30 seconds, the oil is hot and bubbles form around a chopstick. Turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of annatto seeds. Stir for 20 seconds. They'll bring a beautiful natural red-orange color. You can replace the annatto seeds with chili flakes. Filter and let cool. Prepare a caramel with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Heat on high heat. As soon as smoke appears, turn off the heat. Carefully add 2 tablespoons of water. Turn the heat back on just to dissolve the caramel. Complete the marinade with the annatto oil and the caramel. Mix all together. Pour the marinade over the meat pieces and mix well. Caramel in the marinade is the common practice in Vietnamese cuisine. It caramelizes the meat during cooking, giving a rich, deep flavor. Let marinate in the fridge for at least 3 hours, ideally overnight. Take the marinade out 1 hour before cooking. Mix it a little. You can grill the meat on a barbecue, often flipping it over. You can also cook them in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees, using a baking tray with parchment paper. First, bake them for 25 minutes. Flip them over and put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Meanwhile, finely chop a green onion and prepare small balls of Nuoc Cham dipping sauce. You can watch my video to learn how to make it. The meat is ready. Cut it into pieces. On each plate, serve a bowl of rice, some pickles. You can watch my video on how to make them. And the meat. Sprinkle some green onion. It's ready. Bon appétit! You can enjoy the dish by dipping the meat pieces in the Nuoc Cham sauce. You can also wrap each piece in salad leaf with herbs and dip it all in the sauce. The meat is very flavorful and tender, and the pickles complement the whole dish. Light soy sauce is salty. It's widely used in Asian cooking and enriches the flavors of dishes. Fish sauce, Nuoc Mam, is a key ingredient, especially in Vietnam. It has saltiness and also a delicious fermented fish flavor. Oyster sauce also enhances flavors, providing both salty and sweet notes. This one contains 4% oyster extract. Rice syrup adds shine to the meat. It's sweet, sticky, and can be replaced with honey. Here, it's from Korea. Annatto seeds are a natural colorant, often used to color some cheeses. They have health benefits, including antioxidant properties. 5-spice powder gives dishes appetizing flavors. It's a mix of star anise, cloves, fennel seeds, cinnamon, and Szechuan pepper. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.